Welcome to lecture 3. Now that Python is installed and your IDE is ready, let's write your very first Python program and understand the basic syntax that makes Python so beginner friendly. Let's start with a classic printing a message. In your IDE, type print hello world. This simple line tells Python to display the text in the console. Print is a built-in function that outputs whatever is inside the parenthesis. Quotation marks denote a string, in this case, hello world. Now to run your code, save this file with .py extension, for example, hello.py. Now open your terminal, navigate to the folder where your file is saved and type Python, then the file name, which is hello.py in this case. You should see hello world printed on the screen. Congrats, you just run your first Python program. Now let's go over some basic syntax rules. Python uses indentation instead of curly braces to define code blocks. If you are familiar with other programming languages, then you might be knowing this thing. You don't need semicolons at the end of lines. Although you can use them, Python doesn't require it. And finally, Python is case sensitive. So, name and name are considered different variables. These features make Python readable and clean. Now let's come to comments in Python. Comments are used to explain your code or temporarily disable code lines. In Python, single line comments start with a hash symbol. For multi-line comments, use triple quotes. Comments are ignored by Python when the code runs, but they are extremely helpful for humans to understand what's going on. Awesome! So now you have written and executed your first Python script. And now you are familiar with indentation, syntax, and comments. In the next lecture, we will talk about variables and data types, the building blocks of Python programs. See you there.